Afternoon everyone, it's Tiger Ben here again. Sorry for the lack of videos are late, work etc, and forgetting to actually charge my camera up. However, I've just come back from Exeter. It's currently the 1st of April, so literally the day this goes up is the day that this has all happened. I've just come back from Exeter and I've bought myself a little something. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. This is literally fresh. I've only been back about 5 minutes, so I'm opening it, we're all seeing it together at the same time. So what have I bought, I hear you ask? Well, I have bought a Drift Ghost X. I've seen a few reviews on these, and so far the reviews seem to be pretty good. So I thought I'd get this. The main reason was it's a bit of a smaller design and the extended battery life. So obviously with commuting and stuff, it looks a bit better. So looking at it first, it's all wrapped in the cellophane type stuff. Just on the back here, you've got your specifications. So it's 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720 at 650 frames per second, just 12 megapixel photo and time lapse. Modular design, rotatable lens, live stream, 5 hours battery life, and it's got the contents here. So you've got the Drift Ghost X camera, universal clip, a flat mount, a curved mount, USB cable, mic adapter, quick guide, and a reset tool. And just down there, it's got some more of the specifications and what mounts, etc., you can use for it. So without further ado, let's get this opened. If we can. There we go. Let's get into the cellophane. We'll take the cellophane off. There we go. I must say the box is quite nice, actually. It's quite a nice little box. It's got some more features on the side here. HD, weather resistance, 300 degrees rotatable lens, 5-hour battery life, Wi-Fi enabled. Standard sort of drifty type stuff. So let's get the rest of this tape and sealant off. There's that one. There's that one. There's towel off. No, right. So we open it up. We're greeted directly with the camera actually. So obviously, please recycle, and also available is the waterproof case and a long life battery module. So let's have a look. How do we get this out? Okay, feels like there's something in this little box. So first box, greeted with a charging cable by the looks of it, and 2 mounts. So let's have a look. Yep, so there's your flat mount. Always handy to have because these are really expensive. Microphone adapter. So it's one of these micro USB ports. I think that's what these are. And then just 3.5mm jack on this end as well. Got your charging cable, so USB to micro USB. And then you got the curved mount as well. Again, useful to have. So that's what was in that first little box. Let's see what else we have. Just got the main camera here. Just going to get the. There we go. Wow, it's tiny. So it's got. Actually, there's nothing else in there. So nothing else there. So it's got its standard drift mount clip thing, and then you got the camera itself. So it's quite a small module actually, which is quite surprising. I'll grab the other one in a second to compare. Got 3 buttons here on the top, so you got your power and record by the looks of it, scrolling and backwards maybe. Got a small screen on the back here. And then, yeah, don't really know what everything else does. So on the bottom here, we got the USB port there, and on the bottom here we've got the SD card slot, micro SD card, go in there. Looks like to get this battery out you need a good set of nails, which I do not have. Let's have a look. Oh, and then you've got your quick guide and you've got 2 Drift Innovation stickers there, so good comprehensive looking guide actually. So G is the module latch, F is the battery, so it should just open up in theory. Doesn't mean the battery ain't going to go anywhere, but let's have a look. Let's have a look at the instructions. Oh, it's all in foreign languages as well. That's good. So it's telling you actually how to connect it to your computer, PC or Mac, all the specifications again. Just all the info you really need. So I'm obviously trying to find how to get the battery off. So when I good say there's a latch, but this has got the car DVR mode as well, so it will just keep recording and it will gradually go over the older files that are left on there, so you don't have to worry about that. So it's mainly good for dashcam purposes. As soon as you charge the battery for 2.5 hours before the first use, which I'll do. It shows how to use the power buttons. It's got all the information will come up on a little screen here. So it will come up with what mode it's in and all its recording settings. That's pictured there, so that's what will come up on that little screen. And you use the varying buttons to go between the modes. So really that's it. I'm going to try and get this battery off somehow. Really don't quite know how. Really don't know how. However, I'll do that, and basically, as I said, this was just a quick unboxing video to show you the new Drift Ghost X. So it hasn't been out too long. Basically, yeah, I'm going to use this on the bike now as my vlogging camera. Oh, actually, I was going to show you in comparison to the old one. Show me 2 seconds. So in comparison, new one, old one. This is the HD Ghost 1080p. Get a size difference in that. Massive size difference. Absolutely huge. This is essentially what? It's like about probably a quarter of the size. See, this is my old, been battered and bruised, and wasn't new when I got it. I got it off eBay refurbished, but he's starting to die now. So thought if I demote it essentially. But there you go. So that's the battery size of the old Drift against the size of just the new Drift camera. It's unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. So yeah, next video will hopefully be done through this camera, and I'll give a review and see how we've got on with it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.